Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Ari Wallet. If you have not gotten this Ari Wallet, do well to go to Play Store and download Ari Wallet and then sign up and then prepare for the airdrop. Now, Ari Wallet is just like Pi airdrop, yeah, which just launched, and Ari Wallet is actually being traded because some vendors are beginning to buy this token. Yeah, so the best thing is for you to do now is to protect your own token. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your account. If you have not joined Ari Wallet mining, then you are not late. Actually, you're not late. You can still start and then you accumulate something. Yeah, this is just my 2 weeks of mining Arichain, and I've been able to accumulate 1,000. So I'm going to show you in this video how to run it. First of all, yeah, you need to go to Play Store. If you haven't gone to Play Store, go to Play Store and download Arichain. Once you get to Play Store, in Play Store, go to Play Store and then on your search bar type Arichain or Ari Wallet, anyone, and then this is it. So once you click it like this, you click and then open, right? Okay, now this is how it's going to show. Make sure that it's showing like this. Now you will see Ari Wallet and then you will see Testnet and the mainnet. Guys, what we are actually mining is we are mining the real coin, not points. Okay, we're not mining points, we are mining the real coin. So this is the Testnet and this is the mainnet, and the mainnet shows here that mainnet is coming soon. Okay, here you can see that it shows mainnet coming soon, and this is actually the Testnet which is ongoing. Yeah, so make sure to click on the Testnet. So click on Testnet, and then once you click on Testnet, it should be showing like this. Yeah, you're going to see receive, send, transaction and all that. So guys, protect your wallet as much as you can. Protect your wallet. Okay, so now what you'll be doing now is you check in daily. Once you check in daily, you'll be claiming 10 Ari token for. Then once you get to 7 days, you'll be claiming extra 110 Arichain, just like that. Okay, so I'll be dropping the quiz answer to the quiz, and you can get it in my Telegram group, or you can follow me on my Twitter to get the Arichain quiz, because I drop it on a daily basis. Okay, yeah, if you haven't gotten that. Okay, now once you just check in, because mine here, the way it's showing, I've already checked in for today. Yeah, so once you set up your wallet like this, then you are going to see check-in. You click on that check-in, you just click OK, and then you rewarded with 10 Ari coin. You can see here, this is my transaction. Make sure that you don't skip any day. Now let's count it. I think I've been able, for you are going to be claiming 10 Arichain for each day that you check in. 10 here, and then once you get to 7 days, okay, there are some days that you will claim. Okay, you're going to claim a whole lot of 110. Okay, it's not being reflected here. Okay, it's not showing here. Let me scroll to the end. It's not showing. So every day you log in, you'll be claiming 10 Arichain. Yeah, 10 Arichain every day you log in, right? So once you log in like that, the next thing you're going to do is to go to your home page. Now this button where you have the three dotted lines, okay, where you have the three dotted lines, you click on it. You can decide to hide your token or whatever. Okay, now you click on this spotted dotted line, two dotted line here. You can see here, let me light it for you. You see, yeah, this is your menu bar. Okay, you click on this menu bar, that three dotted line, click on it. You're going to see this is where you have your referrals and your referrals, and then your your address in case you want to send and receive. Right now you're going to see the today quiz. Today quiz, you have already participated in today quiz. Please wait for tomorrow on. Okay, so let me go to my Twitter and let me show you. If you have not done today quiz, let me open my Twitter so I can show you the answer for today quiz, because I posted it on my Twitter page. So if you come to my Twitter, you're going to see the the answer. So follow me on my Twitter to get your answer. So this is the answer for today for Arichain. Okay, the answer for today being today is I think 20, today's date is 26, yeah, being 26. Today answer for Arichain is here. If you have not done, that's D. Is they say one of the main value pursued by Arichain is what? Inclusivity and accessibility. So that's the answer, which is D. Then once you click on the answer, you click on checking. So I'm showing you this for people who are finding it too difficult to carry out the task. It's very simple. Okay, so once you're done, go to your today quiz and then answer the daily quiz, and then you click on, once you're done answering, you click on day checking. Like now, yeah, so if you click every day, you'll be claiming 10 Arichain, and then for some 7 days you be, yeah, 7 days you may claim 50. Like the last 7 days that just passed, I claimed a whole lot of 110 Arichain. Okay, for 25 days, just like that, every day you check in. Okay, so you receive Aricoin by checking in daily. Additional coins will be awarded for consecutive attendance. That's what is said here. You can see it for yourself. Yeah, so you click on close. So that is just what is needed here. Now if you want to send Arichain to someone, click on send. Now, yeah, click on send. Now you paste the address of what you're sending, you type in the amount, the memo, please enter the memo, enter your password, and then you click next, and then you're good to go. So what you're actually mining is not point, you are mining the main token, you are mining the main Arichain. So people are mining this, and information I got is that Arichain will be conducting a pre-sale, and one Arichain will be sold for $2. You can see one Arichain for the pre-sale is sold for $2. Okay, and still carrying out investigation about the, and still making a research about the pre-sale. Once I got all the information, I will still make a video about that. Okay, so one of the Arichain will be sold for one Arichain for the pre-sale will be sold for $2. Okay, let me just show you one quick update that I got from the pre-sale. Yes, I've been able, this is Arichain, this is the Arichain. Yeah, now they say, would you like pre-market with at FMC Pay Exchange? So Arichain is actually conducting what was it called, pre-sale, yeah, pre-market. So they say FMC Pay KYC emergency OG community, done your FMC Pay KYC before TGE OG community. Okay. This may not be the real Ari Wallet Twitter page, okay, Twitter handle. So let's go back. So they're actually conducting a pre-sale, and what I heard that one Arichain will be sold for $2 for the pre-sale. Yeah, so if you happen to accumulate this coin, protect your coin, because some persons will be deceiving you to sell, just like people who sold their pie for peanuts. Yeah, and persons that sold off their pie for peanuts, and can see how pie is pumping now. It has even crossed $2. It's still going up. Okay, so protect your wallet, protect your coin, Arichain coin, protect it as much as you can. Right, so all you got to do here, this mining is not hard at all. It's not hard. You check in daily, you answer your quiz, check in on my Twitter page, follow me on my Twitter, follow me on my Telegram group as well. I'll be dropping the quiz on the daily basis. I'll drop on my Twitter, drop it in my Telegram group, drop on my Telegram group as well. So I'll be dropping on those two Twitter and Telegram group. So once you open my Twitter, you're going to see the Arichain quiz and the other one. And same thing goes to Zena. If you haven't joined Zena, I'll be dropping the link as well. So check in the comment section, in the description box. I'll drop the link for Zena. Zena is just like Ari Wallet as well. So position for this airdrop. position for Ari Wallet, guys. If you have not positioned, if you have not joined, like I said, it is not, you still early, you can still make something. Yeah, you can see mine now. I've gotten 1,000 of this token. I've gotten 1,000. I don't know how much. If they happen to list, if pre-sale could be $2, that means it will be more, it will be, in fact, it will be, they are going to cook, let me put it like that. Okay, yeah, this Ari Wallet is going to cook. So position well for this airdrop. Position well, you don't need much. I've showed you how to do it. Go to Play Store, download. Once you download, use the code. Okay, use the code. I'll be dropping the code. You got to use the code to get the bonus. Okay, use the code to get the bonus. Put in this code. Now once you register, you'll be getting, go to your menu bar, you will see your own referral code. Use it to invite others as well. So put in this code. I'll be dropping the code in my description box there. Okay, get the code, use it to invite others. Once you get the code, this is the first code you're going to put. They will require for the code. Put in that code to get that bonus. Okay, now once you put in the code, come back and, well, you have already created your account, copy your code, your own code, and refer others. Refer as much friends as you can. Okay, so position, because you don't really know the airdrop. Like pie, I was preaching pie. I preach pie and preach pie. Now so many people refuse to, even the people that join on my downlink, guys, I'm just losing so many pie because they have not even done their KYC. So the thing is just compacted there. But pie have changed many lives, including me. So position, if you have missed, you cannot miss pie, because pie is a continuous mining. Keep on mining pie. So if you have missed pie, you can still join, just like you won't be able to mine as fast as it was before. So position for Arichain, so that you will not still make the same mistake you made in pie. Position for Arichain, you make 10, you get 10 Arichain a day. For quiz 10, that's 20. Imagine that. Position, accumulate. Even if you don't have referrals, so far you join on time. So far you join on time, you can still get something, right? So join it, refer as much as you can. Even if, like you can see in this my video, is now I'm just making the video about it. I've not gotten one referral. Okay, and I've already accumulated 1,000 Arichain. Vendors are buying it. Don't go and sell it to them. Accumulate it, wait for it to launch, so you sell and also take your profits. Okay, Arichain will be listed soon. So say they are conducting a pre-sale, right? And the pre-sale, one of it costs $2. Okay, position for this airdrop, guys. Position for airdrop. If you miss pie, don't miss Arichain. Share this video as much as you can. Share, let other people get to know this project. Okay, position on time. We are still early. If you happen to see this video now, you are early, you are not late. Okay, don't skip any day. Check in on my social handle, collect the quiz, get the quiz answers, and then you are good to go. There's not too much stress in mining and all that. There is no stress in mining this project. Okay, if you find this video helpful, share with your friends. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video, because I'll be coming back with an interesting video like this potential project, which you can, the paint project and testnet project, right? I'll be coming back with potential project. So join my groups, follow me on my Twitter, join my telegrams, because I'll be dropping the answers to the quiz there, so you can get the answers. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and share, and also leave a comment and subscribe. I'll come back again with another interesting video. Until then, remain blessed.